fire. One nation, one Nigeria. Atiku, Atiku, our current president. Atiku, PDP.
Polling unit, and that was summed together to become 5/5. We are very grateful. The national chairman of the party, you recall, when we came into office, we pleaded with you to come to Plateau State and come and receive the campees. And in some of the campees you received included the founding chairman of the APC, our dear Honorable Plateau, who is the DG of the campaign today. I want to assure you people, in this journey of bringing back PDP in our winning days, PDP is one, and there can be no division. And on that, we have already strategized to win this election by God's grace. I want to encourage all of you that are here that the people of Plateau State have mandated me to promise the president that we are giving him nothing more than 2 million votes in Plateau State. Is that so?
Yes.
Is that so?
Yes.
May the Lord help us. Lastly, I want to appreciate the presidential candidate. We pleaded with him to come to Jos and spend the night. You know, he's a just man, and ever since he came into elections, from the days of SDP to today, he has never lost election in Plateau State, both primaries and the general election. I want to assure you and to appreciate you, sir, for taking time to come and spend the night with us. That shows the solidarity of people of Plateau State. I have also requested from you that by the time we come into office in May 29, your residents on the high ground of Rayfield, the Atiku residents will be turned to our Camp David. And that of the national chairman will be that for us to strategize for Nigeria. I want to welcome all of you to this occasion and promise that the Lord Almighty that has brought you here will take you back safely. PDP!
Your Excellency, we are delighted that Plateau has passed through a lot, but having you as the President of Nigeria, we shall be healed. Our people shall return to their ancestral homes. Everyone on the Plateau shall live peacefully under your leadership, because we have been hurt too much, and this time around, by the grace of God, Plateau shall be healed. Plateau shall again be the home of peace and tourism, and Nigeria shall again bounce back as the days that you were Vice President under your leadership come 2023. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless Atiku Abubakar. God bless OKOWA. God bless Caleb Mutfwang, and God bless all our aspirants to the National Assembly, to the State Assembly. We are going to win Plateau State this time around, and Nigeria is coming back in Jesus' name.
On behalf of my deputy, Ngo Pio Josephine, and my dear wife, Helen Mutfwang, and the entire PDP family on the Plateau, I want to say a big welcome on behalf of the PDP to His Excellency Atiku Abubakar. We want to thank God for this day that has been made for us to rejoice as the people of Plateau State. This is the day that marks the formal beginning of the presidential campaign on the Plateau. And I want to thank God because PDP has never lost a presidential election on the Plateau. Mutanen Plateau, ba za mu yi wani dogon jawabi ba. Mun zo ne mu yi maku godiya domin kun fito, domin ku marabci shugaban kasa mai jiran gadon Allah ya yarda. Muna maku matukar godiya domin yadda kuka saba ba mu cikakken goyon baya a Plateau. A PDP ba mu taba faɗi zaben shugaban kasa ba. Muna godiya domin da muka zagaye Plateau ya nuna mana cewa mutanen Plateau suna shiri domin canji na kwarai, canji na gaskiya. Yunwa ya ishe mu, talauci ya ishe mu, wulakanci ya ishe mu. Saboda haka dole ne mu sake kawo gwamnati da ta cancanta da za ta raya Nigeria ta koma inda da take har ta fa haka. Saboda haka muna godiya yadda kuka fito domin ku barabci bakinmu. We are most grateful that you have turned out in your numbers to welcome our presidential candidate and his vice. And we want to thank you because we have already seen the signal that the people of Plateau State are with us. We thank you. On behalf of the candidate, let me apologize for all the groups that wanted to interact with him, but they could not have the opportunity to do so, especially the business community that could not have the opportunity to interact with him. Let me also ask that you pray for our leader, Governor Jiang, who has had to travel with his wife to the hospital. And he is not here with us today, but he is with us in spirit. Let me say a big thank you. And as you return to your various homes, may the good Lord that brought us here safely, may he take us back to our destination safely. Thank you and God bless.
Please let us all shout Allahu Akbar. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to invite now to speak with us a very, very productive politician, the Director General of our campaign, the Governor of Sokoto State, the former Speaker of
Plateau State for the very warm reception accorded us. For your large numbers, it is very clear that PDP is Plateau and Plateau is PDP. By the grace of God, come February 2023, you will vote for Atiku Abubakar and OKOWA and all the National Assembly members on the platform of PDP. In March, you will also vote for the governorship candidate, my learned brother, Barrister Caleb Mufwang, and his running mate, and all the members of the Plateau State House of Assembly. So it is going to be 5 over 5. No, repeat. 5. I didn't hear you. 5. In Plateau, 5. God bless you. By the grace of God, Atiku Abubakar, when he becomes the president, he will unify this country, and all of the lost glories of this country will be returned. God bless you.
Hey! Go and get a presidential handshake. Thank you very much. Light music, please.
Then the Atiku and OKOWA, they don't come with 5-point agenda.
Thank you. That was a presidential handshake. God will bless all of you. I also promise Atiku Abubakar and Governor OKOWA. Atiku Abubakar and Governor OKOWA. The national chairman of our party is my witness. Please, Mr. President and Mr. Vice
PDP. Green and red. PDP! PDP! Today, we are here again to let you know and assure you that PDP is coming back again. That PDP, we are not just coming in the form of those people that you know. Those people came and they told you change. Are they changing from good to better? Are they changing from good to better? Let me tell you, there are two categories of people. People who can create change and those who can manage change. But unfortunately, they did not fall in any of these two categories. They didn't create change, they didn't manage change. And just as a capital of Plateau, and the entire Plateau people, they suffered for it. Today, we are coming back to say we are coming for a rescue mission. We'll restore peace in Plateau State. We'll restore the economy of Plateau State. There are so many places in the whole world, they don't have anything more than flour. But I was surprised, sometime last year, Plateau alone produced the quantity of potato that could feed the whole of West Africa. And they could not export one. Under Atiku Abubakar, Plateau will be a major exporter of what they are producing, and that will stimulate the economy. Let me tell you, before now, Plateau was the center of an enterprise. Plateau was driven by economy of the private enterprise. Today, due to lack of peace, due to insecurity in Plateau State, all that have vanished. I'm standing as a shorty on behalf of the government of Atiku Abubakar that he will restore peace, he will restore security, he will restore the economy. Today, when we were much younger, if they ask you, where do you want to go for NYSC? Where was the first choice? They want to hear you. Where was the first choice? Where was the first choice? Was Plateau. If they ask you, where do you want to go and save? You say Plateau. But today, it's not like that again. Don't lose hope. Don't give up. Your miracle is on the way. The rescue team is here. In those days, when you are looking for custard, you are looking for cornflakes, where were those things made? Where were those things made? The first spring water in Nigeria to have been bottled that was sold in this country, where was it? Where was it? Do now see why we are here today. To reassure you, we will recover, we will restore, and who will do that for you? Who will do that for you? Who will do that for you? Which party? Which party? PDP!
2023, gentlemen, no day, oh. Gentlemen, no day, oh. I said 2023, gentlemen, no day, oh. Gentlemen, no day. APC, if you want to kill us, let me die. We shall never support you. 2023, Mama Ekele.
Our youths, the great youth of the Plateau, I greet you all. You have come here in large numbers, and we are very, very proud of what you have done today, because you have given us hope that we are going to reclaim the Plateau for the PDP. I thank all our youths, and I thank our women. I thank the leaders of the party in the Plateau. I have been to Plateau just here 3 times in the last 2 months. And I thank God for what I see here today, because you have given us a sign that we are winning the elections here. APC took us down the hill. They took us to the very bottom. But now Nigeria will rise again. And PDP has given us the right leader who is able to turn things around in Nigeria. for the good of all. And his name is Atiku Abubakar, who is able to change the current situation in this country. There is so much hunger, and we know that Atiku Abubakar will turn things around in Nigeria, and hunger will be no more in this country. And we know that our youths, after finishing school, they are not able to get employment. But Atiku Abubakar is going to turn things around. He's going to tell you how he's going to do it. And I know that he's a man of honor. He's a father that we can trust. He's not one of those who goes out looking at newspapers and begins to quote figures. He's a man who has the knowledge and the experience to turn Nigeria around. And we are very much aware that there's so much insecurity in the land. He has been vice president before. He knows Nigeria true and true. And he's the only one capable among the 18 presidential candidates who can stop this insecurity in the next few years. So I urge you all to get back home, go and campaign from house to house, from community to community, and ensure that on February 25, 2023, that we come out with huge votes from the Plateau, and a lot will be done for the Plateau and for the rest of Nigeria. May God bless the youth of the Plateau. May God bless all of you. May God bless the women and our mothers of the Plateau. May God bless the leaders. And I urge you to also vote for all other candidates of the party. It will be well with Nigeria again with Atiku Abubakar. God bless you all.
Please, can we clap again for the next Vice President of the Federal Republic? We want to use this opportunity to appreciate our leaders in Plateau, Chile. We appreciate you, Right Honorable Stefanos. We appreciate you. I want to bring to the microphone the national chairman of the PDP worldwide, a chief son, a Benue son, a Nigerian son, Senator Dr. Iyota Ayu.
PDP! PDP! The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, come 2023, former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, and his running mates, Governor Arthur and OKOWA, I observe all other protocols. My good people of Plateau State, I am back home. Plateau is my home. And I thank you that you have come in large numbers to receive me back to a place where I lived for 22 years. You know, we are on a historic mission, and therefore we have to remember where it all started. PDP started life in Plateau State by my father, Chief Solomon Daoshepla. He's the one who took me out, and we linked up with other patriotic leaders like Abubakar Rimi, Mala Adamuchi Roman, Jerry Ghana, Sule Lamido, Atiku Abubakar, and so many other patriotic Nigerians, including your own son, Governor Jonah Jang. We build this party to be your party, to be the party of the people. No single person owns PDP. PDP is owned by the people of Nigeria. and that is you. When you left PDP, PDP left you, and you started suffering. Do you want PDP to come back? Will you live again? And therefore, I want to thank you for coming out in such large numbers, because this party is going to rebuild the party and rebuild the country. The last time I was here, I came to see how I can put the party together. And I'm happy that whatever cracks existed in the party, it is all over. We want to thank our leaders, Governor Jonathan, His Excellency J.T. Husseini, and our father, Ambassador Yahya Kwande. All these people have reunited, and we want all the followers to reunite so that we can win Plateau back together. My brother Fidelis Takun, these are great leaders, and I have seen today that the party is back in one single piece. I came here and received many decampees, thousands and thousands of decampees. I am sure PDP is today a rock. Nobody can dislodge PDP again in Plateau State. So for governor, you are going to vote for governor. Who are you going to vote? Every single person here should know that you are going to vote House of Assembly, National Assembly, Governor, and more importantly, President Atiku Abubakar. Do not say I will vote for one person and not vote for the other. Vote for PDP, because this is the party that is going to rebuild Plateau, that is going to reconstruct Nigeria. And I want the state where PDP started to vote the highest number of votes. I don't want you to be number 2. The highest percentage of votes should come from here in Plateau State, which is my home state. I taught at the University of Jos for 22 years, teaching your sons. PDP is a state, is a party that will rebuild your universities. It will not close your universities for 1 year. It will rebuild your roads. You see what Jonathan did when he was governor. There is no reason to go and vote a party that will come and destroy what we are trying to do. So at this stage, I will invite the governor, the next governor of Plateau State. You see, his running mate, Her Excellency. Let me shake the hand of a deputy governor that is beautiful, that is lovely. Is he not beautiful? Your Excellency, I congratulate you and your beautiful wife. Look at how she's smiling quietly. But now smile well, let them see you. So, by the power conferred on me as the national chairman of this great party worldwide, I'm giving you this powerful symbol. It's a symbol of victory. The symbol that you go around the whole of the 17 local governments in Plateau State and capture everyone. I don't want to list one single local government or any ward. Therefore, connect this symbol, supported by your deputy, supported by your wife, Madam Hold it. Make sure you go out and bring victory for the People's Democratic Party. Thank you and God bless you all.
thank you. Out of all the presidential candidates, of the 18 presidential candidates, Atiku Abubakar built his residence in Redfield in Jos 28 years ago. And he slept in his house in Jos yesterday. A man who built his house in Jos 28 years ago loved the people of Plateau. Ask any of the presidential candidates who among them even have a land in Jos. Do you love Atiku? Do you love Atiku? Do you love OKOWA? If you love Atiku, clap your hands. I am the one moderating this program. If you don't shout Atiku 7 times, I will not allow him to speak with you. 1, 2, go! Atiku! 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 PDP! PDP! Plateau! Mouva! Plateau! Sekale! Plateau! Moufada Sekale! Plateau! Plateau! To Nigeria ba? To jama'an Plateau muna matuƙar farin ciki kwarai da gaske da saduwa da ku yau. Za ku gona ta? Za ku gona ta? Za ku gona ta? To ku gona mu gani. To jama'an Plateau, jiya da muka gama da Nasarawa lafiya, aka ce mu koma Abuja. Na ce ni ba zan koma Abuja ba, domin nan ma gida ne, kuma ina da gidana, muka zo muka kwana. Abinda nake so ku fahimta shine cewa mun ɗauki alƙawari idan kun zaɓi PDP, kuma mun sani za ku zaɓa, ko ba haka ba ne? Za ku zaɓa? Za ku zaɓa? To mu kuma mun ɗauki alƙawari za mu dawo da zaman lafiya a Plateau. Za mu dawo da cin gaba a Plateau. Musamman matasanmu da ku ne nake gani a nan, dukanku maza da mata. Za mu tabbatar da mun farfado da arzikin ƙasar Plateau yadda za ku samu ayyukan yi da kuma sana'an yi. Wanda ba zai yi aiki ba ga sana'a, wanda zai yi sana'a ga aiki. Wannan alƙawari ne da muka ɗauka muku. Kuma yawancin hanyoyinku da ya kai ko kuma kuke da makwabtaka da waɗansu jihohi, mun sani ba su da kyau, domin jam'iyyar APC da kuma gwamnatin APC
ta ƙi ta yi komai cikin shekaru 8 da suka wuce. Mun ɗauki alƙawari za mu gyara waɗannan hanyoyi. Don haka jama'ar Plateau, kamar yadda wannan fili ke da tarihi, a nan kamar yadda kuka riga kuka ji, mun zaɓi MPO Abiola, a nan mun zaɓi Olusegun Obasanjo, shugabannin ƙasa daban-daban mun zaɓe su a wannan wurin. Domin don darajar Ubangiji, don darajar wannan wurin, ku tabbata kun zaɓi jam'iyyar PDP a wannan karo. PDP! PDP! Now, the people of Plateau, it is homecoming for me today. Homecoming because I have been a resident in this state for the past 28 years. We have promised that we will restore peace in this state. We will also revamp the economy of this state. We will also make sure this state is connected to the neighboring states as far as road infrastructures are concerned. APC has neglected all the roads connecting Plateau with other states in the country. We promise, because you are a PDP state, we promise we will make sure these roads are rehabilitated. We will revamp the economy. We will bring about peace and prosperity, particularly to our young men and women. I want you to promise that you are going to return PDP to power in this state and at the national level. Do you promise? Yes. Do you promise? Yes. If you promise to vote for PDP, raise your hands, please. Yes. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. We love you very much indeed. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Please, if you enjoy the